Hey, welcome brothers and sisters to my channel Faisal Azib. I hope that you are well. I will start a new chapter about a new feature in PowerPoint 2019. Why? Because when I have made the search about this feature, I have found near zero result about this feature. You will see this feature are very useful, and I start with the first one to create by creating a new shape. So let's create a new shape like this, or the rectangle maybe. What you want. Okay, rectangle. Now what I will do, I will push the button F4. I create copy again. F4, F4, F4. What do you see? I can make Ctrl C, Ctrl V just with this shortcut. It is F4. Amazing. But look now. If I move this one, I move it. I make F4. I can't do it. But I make Ctrl C, Ctrl V again. Now I can make F4, F4 again. What is difference? The difference, you can make F4 here the first time if you don't move the shape or the object. Okay? But if you move it, you can do it. You must create new copy, but Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and push again F4 and F4. Now, what can you do with this K also? For example, I make here shape format, shape fill, tab. I choose this one, and I go here, F4. Do you see? I have made the same thing. I drop it directly here, no problem. Oops, F4 here, F4, no problem. But look now, look, I move it. F4 doesn't work. Very, very powerful. So let's make another thing. Here I will select all of them. I will go to the line, or maybe in the center. Okay? I will select all of them. All of them. F4. I have made the same action. Okay? Do you see? Again, all of them. F4. It's a very, very useful shortcut. Try to remember this shortcut for your PowerPoint. F4. Remember, F4 is very, very big. The shortcut is your F4 in your keyboard. So remember, if when you create shape, if you want to use it, you must use it directly. But if you move your shape, here you must use Ctrl C, Ctrl V before to use F4. Okay? Sometimes it doesn't work for other objects, so we must try, but for the shape it works perfectly. Okay, so see you in the next video, inshallah, to see another thing, maybe new feature, and I will try to find it before to talk about it, of course. Not this shortcut again. F4, 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 yeah, forever. Practice. Follow me on Instagram, teams.winners for motivational quote, business quote, very useful quote, and Facebook.chico about design, graphic, food, and travel. And subscribe to my channel, please. Subscribe to my channel. Like this video, share it with your friends. I tell you goodbye. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.